What is an interval, half step, whole step, and what can they do for you? My name is David Paul Norman, and this is Lesson 1. An interval is a distance between two pitches. A half step, also called a semitone or minor second, is the smallest interval in standard Western music. Half steps on the guitar are from one fret to the next. Half steps on the piano are from one key to the next. That's going from, if you have a white key and a black key, that's going from a white key to the black key right next to it. And then if you have two white keys right next to each other, that's going from the one white key to the next white key. So between E and F, you have a half step, and then between B and C, you have a half step. They sound like this. They look like this when written out. They look like this in MIDI. Two half steps make a whole step or major second. If you throw in half steps after playing whole steps, they create a sense of tension. This is how we make scales, alternating tension and release. Here is the major scale. Listen for the half steps and whole steps. Here is the minor scale. Listen for the half steps and whole steps. Now, practice playing and singing whole steps and half steps and listen for them in the melodies of your favorite music.